Hello friends, welcome in the Pharma Knowledge channel. I am Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Today we'll discuss about the MCQs on size reduction. These MCQs will be helpful to you in the GPAT examination as well as in the university examinations according to the PCR pattern. Now you must be knowing that key MCQs are there for 20 marks. So these are the commonly asked MCQs from the size reduction, which are also useful for the GPAT exam also. Now the first MCQ from this size reduction chapter, that is moderately fine powder has specification. Moderately fine powder has specification. Options are 10 by 44, 44 by 85, 85 by 120, 120 by 350. And the correct option is 44 by 85. That is, it is going to retain on the 85 number screen and is going to flow through the 44 number sieve. So this is what the answer, that is 44 by 85. Second MCQ, that is hardness is the dash property. Hardness is the dash property. Options are surface, bulk, unique and none of above. And the correct answer is surface. So hardness is the surface property. Third question. Hammer mill, it works on the principle of. Hammer mill works on the principle of. Options are cutting, impact, attrition and compression. Options are cutting, impact, attrition and compression, and the correct answer is impact. So hammer mill works on the principle of impact. Fourth MCQ. Ball mill works on the principle of. Ball mill works on the principle of. Options are impact, attrition, both impact and attrition and none of above. And the correct answer is ball mill works on the principle of both, that is impact and attrition. Next, question number 5. Fluid energy mill works on the principle of. Fluid energy mill works on the principle of. Options are impact and attrition, only impact, only attrition, and fourth option is compression. And the correct answer, that fluid energy mill works on the principle of impact and attrition. It works on the principle of impact and attrition. Sixth question, that is pre-milling of material. Pre-milling of material, it is necessary in case of. Options are ball mill, fluid energy mill, cutter mill and hammer mill. And the correct answer, that pre-milling, it is very important or it is necessary in case of fluid energy mill, because fluid energy mill gives you very finest size of the particle, and for that it is very necessary that your product should be pre-milled. Then question number 7, that you get finest size particles by using. You get finest size particles by using. Options are hammer mill, fluid energy mill, ball mill, cutter mill. And the correct answer, that you get the finest size particle by using fluid energy mill. Dash. Next question, question number 8. Dash is the noisy mill. Dash is the noisy mill. Options are ball mill, hammer mill, cutter mill, fluid energy mill. And the correct answer, that ball mill is a noisy mill. Next, question number 9. The common size of balls in ball mill. The common size of balls in the ball mill of 1 meter diameter is dash in diameter. Right? Ball mill which is of 1 meter diameter, उसमें जो balls use करते हैं, what is the common size of that ball? And the options are 20 millimeter, 35 millimeter, 55 mm and 75 mm. And the correct answer, that is 75 mm. The ball present in that mill, it is of 75 millimeter diameter. The ball mill which is having 1 meter diameter and the balls having diameter 75 millimeter. Then the last question, that is question number 10. Rotating knives are present in which mill? Rotating knives, they are present in dash mill, and the options are cutter mill, hammer mill, ball mill, fluid energy mill, and the correct answer, it is cutter mill. Rotating knives are present in cutter mill. So this is about the common MCQs which are always asked in the examination, GPAT as well as in the university MCQs. Again, we'll discuss some more MCQs from this chapter in the next video. So if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.